Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Sonia, aka Sister Philly. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to y'all about my favorite bright, bold, colorful lipsticks that I like to wear in the spring and the summertime. I really love a good nude lipstick because nude lipsticks, you can grab them at any time during the year. They go with absolutely anything, and most days when I do put lipstick on, I do grab a nude lipstick. But there are some days where I just want to be like extra for no reason, or maybe I'm going to a special event in the spring or the summer. So when I do want to put a color on my lip, these are the colors that I would normally go for. So the one that I have on my lips right now, this is my absolute favorite. So I'm going to save that one for last. So let's go back and I'll show you all of the other lipsticks that I like to wear. So let's jump right into it. Okay, first up is the lipstick that I'm wearing right now. This is the Wet n Wild MegaLast Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick. And this is what it looks like. I'll show you guys what the actual color looks like. Now this is the one that I reach for the least out of all the ones that I'm going to go over today, but it has nothing to do with the color. It's simply because it's a liquid lipstick. Just in general, I don't really care for liquid lipsticks. I do have maybe like 10 or 15 in my collection, and in general I just think liquid lipsticks are just drying on the lips and they're kind of like high maintenance for me. But every time I try to gain an appreciation for liquid lipsticks and I want to give them another shot, I will reach for Wet n Wild first. I have about 5 of these. I think these are very comfortable on the lips actually. For someone who doesn't really care for liquid lipsticks, I'm able to wear these on my lips without putting a lip balm underneath. Normally when I wear, I prefer like the traditional like bullet, like creamy lipsticks, but I do usually have like a thin layer of lip balm on underneath my lipstick. With these, I'm able to wear them without anything underneath, and I think that they last for quite a few hours before they start to feel dry. Even when they do start to feel dry, I feel like without having to take the lipstick off, I can put another layer of this on without having to take the first layer off, and it'll look like I just applied a fresh coat of lipstick on my lips. So these retail for about $4.99. I think I got this one from Target. So if you go to places like Walgreens and CVS and stores like that, they may cost a little bit more, but in general you'll be able to get this for $4.99. It comes in a wide range of colors, and I think that this is an excellent liquid lipstick for the price. So this is my first spring and summer bright bold lipstick. So next up we have the Colourpop Lippie stick, and this one is in the color Glambag. It's what I have on my lips right now. So let me show you guys what the product looks like in the tube. The one thing I love about these lipsticks is that they are extremely pigmented. You can swipe this across your lip just once and it'll look just like this. I actually wish I had filmed when I was putting it on. I stopped the camera and started it back up again, but these are ridiculously pigmented. They're very nice and creamy on the lips, and they're very comfortable. So when you press your lips together, it feels like there's absolutely nothing on your lips. Another good point about these lipsticks is the price. They're about $7, and you can obviously get them on Colourpop's website, but now you can also get a lot of Colourpop products, including some of these Lippie sticks, on Ulta's website. I do have another color in here. It's not one of my like spring type colors. This one is more of a nude color, but just in case you guys are interested, I also have the color Daydream. And this is what this color looks like. This one is actually really good for like an everyday nude color, but if you're looking for something like nice and bright for spring and you happen to like pink, this is a really good option. Now I will admit this is kind of bright and bold for me. Like I would probably only wear this one if I'm going to like a very special occasion, or if I just feel like being extra for no reason. This is one of the ones that I would wear. But every time I put this on, I'm just floored by how pretty it is, because pink is my favorite color, so I guess that's why I like it so much. So this is my second spring/summer bold lipstick. Okay, next on my list is the Maybelline Matte Lipstick, and this is in the color 681 Vibrant Violet. And this is what this color looks like. The one downside about this lipstick is how it applies. I do feel like you have to put on quite a few coats of it for it to look quite this pigmented. But outside of that, I think it's a really nice lipstick. It's a matte lipstick, but it's also creamy. And simply because it's not liquid, just like with the Colourpop lipstick, it's just very soft and creamy on the lips, but it does dry down completely matte. Again, when you press your lips together, you're not going to feel anything on your lips. One thing I forgot to mention about Colourpop. So for Colourpop and for this Maybelline lipstick, because they're not liquid, they are going to transfer. So if you're looking for something that won't transfer on a glass or a fork or something like that, these lipsticks are not going to do it for you. When you eat or drink, they are going to come right off. But when you go back and reapply another coat, it's going to look like you just applied just a fresh coat of lipstick on without you having to take the other coat off. So this color I like because, like I said, my favorite color is pink, but I do like a lot of purples too. And I feel like this color, even though it's bold, it's not quite as bold as the pink lipstick that I just had on. To me, this is more like an everyday type color. I wouldn't necessarily wear this maybe to work, but I could see myself just wearing this color, like if I'm just, you know, running out on the weekends or something like this. I guess what I'm trying to say is I feel a bit more comfortable in this color because even though it is a bold lipstick, it doesn't look quite as loud as the pink Colourpop lipstick. So this retails for $5.99 at Target, and I'm specifying Target because I clearly remember that that's where I got this lipstick from. And Maybelline has a whole bunch of different lines of lipsticks. They have mattes, they have the buffs, which are like their nude lipsticks, they have metallics, they do have liquid lipsticks, and all of the lines, they come in a wide range of colors. So if you're looking for something, whether you're looking for something that's matte or you're looking for something that's a bit more glossy, in any of the lines you'll be able to find a wide range, anywhere from nudes all the way up to bright bold colors like this. Alright, we got two more lipsticks to go through. The next one is the Urban Decay Vice lipstick, and this one is in the color 69 Cream, and this is what the color looks like, and of course it's also what I'm wearing on my lips. I remember when I first started trying to experiment with lipsticks, and I was relatively new to makeup, and I didn't know that there was a such thing as an undertone for lipsticks. So the first red lipstick that I ever tried, it had a very clear, like orangey yellowish undertone, and I just didn't think that it worked well with my skin. It just did not look right on me. So this lipstick, the reason I love it is because it's a red lipstick with like a pink undertone to it, and I think that that works better with my skin tone. It's very, very bright. It's very, very noticeable, but to me, it's not like super over the top. To me, it's like the perfect pop of red for, you know, a look like this. I actually used this lipstick in a video where I did a bright bold lip for spring. And now that I'm looking at my eyeshadow, the look that I did in that video is actually pretty similar to this one, but I'll put a card up here in case you guys want to check that out. Now this lipstick is more higher end, so all of the other lipsticks that we talked about so far, they are more drugstore and more affordable compared to this. This one does retail for $17.50. However, I do think it is absolutely worth it. This line of lipstick comes in a ton of different colors, and I bought this one from Ulta because that's where I do most of my makeup shopping. But no matter where you get it from, it's gonna cost $17.50 for the regular price. But I think it's absolutely worth it if you're looking for like that perfect red lip and you don't like the lipsticks, the red lipsticks that run like yellow or orange. You should definitely try this one out. So this is my my second to last bright bold lip for spring and summer. Okay, I know that this lipstick is a bit more darker, or maybe like more vampy than the other lipsticks that I tried on. So maybe you guys think that this is more appropriate for maybe fall. But this is my favorite lipstick for spring and summer if I want like a bright, bold lip. Now granted, maybe you wouldn't consider it like bright and bold, but I definitely think it's bold, but maybe you wouldn't consider it like bright. But this is the one that I go to the most when I want to put color on my lips, if I'm thinking about seasonal colors for spring and summer. So this is the NYX Full Throttle lipstick, and this is in the color Locked, and this is what it looks like. And it's very similar. It is a little bit darker, but it's very similar to the Wet n Wild lipstick that I tried on and Barry Recognize. They're pretty much the same color, but NYX is just a little bit darker. The reason I like this is because it's easy to apply. Number one, it's definitely not a liquid lipstick. And of course, I love the color of it. I actually also really like the packaging of this lipstick. I like the fact that it has that kind of like almost like that locking mechanism. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but when you snap it together, it like snaps closed. One of the things that I look for in a lipstick is actually if I think it's going to stay shut in my purse, because I have had some that where the cap have come off in my purse and I get lipstick all over the place. However, getting back to the color and getting back to the formula of it, just like all the other lipsticks, this one is very soft and creamy on the lips. It's very pigmented. The pigmentation for this one is very similar to the Colourpop Lippie stick. When you slide this across your lips just once, you will get this level of pigmentation on the lips. Now, in terms of the entire line of the Full Throttle lipsticks, they don't come in a whole lot of colors. I think maybe 12 colors. And because I like this one so much, I've been trying to find another one. Well, I should say I tried a couple of times to find another lipstick in this line because I like this one so much. And every time I look at the other colors, I'm just not very thrilled with what I see. I did try a couple other ones and they were just like too bland for me. So this is the only one that I have. But if you like this color, I would highly, highly recommend this one. And again, this is NYX Full Throttle lipstick. And this one will retail for $6.99 at Target. So there you have it. Those are all of my bright, bold lipsticks for spring and summer. So let me know what your favorite lipsticks are for spring and summer, especially if any of you guys have recommendations for a blue lipstick. I've been wanting to try something in the blue family. I do have maybe like three blue lipsticks, but they're all like really dark and vampy, like the navy or like the dark royal blue. So if you guys have any like brighter blue lipsticks that you can think of that might look nice on my skin tone for spring and summer, let me know in the comments. So I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to the channel. Also click the notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload another video. In the meantime, you can check these out from my channel, so please watch and enjoy, and I hope to see y'all back for my next video. Until then, take care. Bye y'all.